Let's face it, wrapping presents may not be as easy as you thought it would be, right? Today, I'm going to share with you some gift wrapping hacks that can hopefully make your life a little bit easier and definitely much more simple. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Angel. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, if you find any of these hacks helpful, I'd love if you leave me a thumbs up. Let's jump in and get started and show you these really cool hacks. This little gadget right here is such a lifesaver when you're trying to cut wrapping paper. All you do is hook it on top of your gift wrapping paper and it can do all of the cutting for you easy and give you straight lines. So here's a really another cool hack. If you want to put a card with your gift, if you like to give Christmas cards and all of that, here's a little hack you can do while wrapping your gift so you have an envelope hole to stick your envelope in. Okay, so have you ever run into the issue where you cut your paper too short, you just don't have enough to wrap your whole present with? Instead of cutting a new piece of paper, here's a little hack you can do. Turn your box diagonal, and we're gonna do like a diamond wrap on it. They call this a Japanese wrap, but it's a little thing you can do when you don't have enough paper. You want to make sure that the corners are covered. That's the main key. And then after that, we're just going to fold down the sides and wrap the end flaps up. There's no real perfection to this. It's, just an easy, simple wrap. Do tape slow you down? Here's a really cool way to speed up the whole taping process. You need this gadget, and I am so happy I found it. That is a tape dispenser. This guy is pretty amazing, pretty cool. With the click of a button, you have a piece of tape. And the longer you hold it, the longer it'll roll. So you can either cut your piece of tape the length you need it, or if you want to do hands-free, you can literally just push the button on there, tape it, hold the button till you need it to stop, and then let it go when you want it to stop, and voila. Cool little device. This guy is so handy because even when you need to replace it, you just open it up and you can easily refill the tape. Okay, so let's say you have lots of gifts to wrap and you don't feel like labeling. Here's some really cool hacks you can incorporate to make labeling easier or finding your gift a lot easier. One thing you can do is you can do colors per person. You can wrap each person gifts in a different color wrapping paper. That way you don't have to label it, but everybody knows which wrapping paper are their gifts. And voila, just use different color paper. and everybody gets their own. Pink for girls, blue for boys. How about that? Here's another really cool quick gift labeling system, and that's just using craft paper and then grabbing a marker and writing the name of who the gift belongs to on top of it. No labels needed. You don't have to buy any. Literally, it's just writing it on there. And here's another really cool, easy way to make your labeling a lot easier. Grab you a label dispenser. These are easy peel and go labels, and they come right out the box. Also great, you know, when you have a problem getting labels, and like if you have arthritis or issues getting little bitty labels off papers, these are huge, easy to peel, and they keep dispensing. Those are some interesting gift wrapping hacks I hope you guys found helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.